what was I doing, let's say, 3 years from now? Kind of.
What are you going to be doing 3 years from now?
No. Oh, let me make this turn. 3 years ago.
Oh, in the past.
In the past, 3 years ago, what was I doing? Like, how was I living?
And you went to the men's retreat with
Yeah,
Dad.
I remember.
And ever since the men's retreat, you came back a different guy.
Yeah?
It changed you. Because before that, you were a lost soul.
Lost soul?
Smoking pot. You thought selling drugs was easy and that was your path. But God said no. You went to that men's retreat, and ever since then, you have been fighting your way through.
What did you think when I first told you I dropped out of college this year? 2025 too. It was like,
We have always told you there's 4 ways you can go after you graduate. Go to college, learn a trade, go to the military, or work for your dad. Those were your options.
Yeah, I remember those options.
You figured it out.
I went another route.
Which is fine. You figured your own way. You learned your trade, and if this is your trade, that's the path you're going to take. As long as, we always said, as long as you're happy and you can pay for the toilet paper you wipe your butt with.
Yeah.
And so.
Remember what I told you whenever I told you I dropped out? I told you my whole plan.
Yeah.
I told you, literally, like, and that's the thing though. Like, kids who don't want to go to school and they don't want to do anything.
You can't just not do anything.
You gotta have a plan. And they wonder why their parents don't support them. They wonder why their parents don't support them dropping out. Because what are you gonna do? Just play video games and
if you're lazy all day and smoking pot all day, then that's not a path. You don't have a plan. That's not a plan.
But I told you I was dropping out, and I told you my entire roadmap. I told you my entire game plan, and I was serious.
Yeah.
And I executed it, and I took action. So that's the most important thing.
Absolutely.
If people don't want to go to school, they don't want to work a job the rest of their life, whatever it is, you got to have some sort of drive, you got to have some sort of desire in your heart to actually make it happen.
Yeah.
Or else, it's not just going to fall into your lap. It's not going to...
You're just going to continue the same cycle you're in.
Yeah.
I mean, you want to continue the same cycle, you're going to continue to do the same habits.
Yep.
You want to change your life, you have to change your habits.
Yep.
Because your habits define who you are. If I'm lazy, well, tomorrow I'm going to be lazy because those are my habits.
How would you help someone change their habits? A young person, how would you tell?
You have to be systematic. You have to have a system and plan. You have to have intention. You have to be intentional about it. You have to put reminders and things on your calendar because your brain is pattern seeking. And so it's going to seek what you did yesterday because it enjoyed it. So if you want to change what you did yesterday, you have to be intentional about what you do today.
Set the systems.
Because the only thing that matters is today.
Yeah, that's true.
You can't change tomorrow, and tomorrow hasn't happened. Yesterday, tomorrow hasn't happened. You can't change tomorrow, but yesterday hasn't happened.
Yeah.
So the only thing that matters is what you do today. What are you doing today to change tomorrow, if that's what you want to change? And if you keep doing the same thing, sleeping late, waking up late, playing video games all day, well, that's the same story you're going to get tomorrow. You're going to get the same results.
Exactly.
So, is it easy? No, it's not easy. It's not easy to change a habit. You have to be intentional about it.
Yeah, for sure. It's nice. It's uncomfortable.
Yeah, you're going to go through uncomfortableness, but if you want, we can change. You have to be intentional about it. You have to want it. Make a plan. You can't just say, I'm going to do it tomorrow without a plan. You have to have a plan. What is your plan and what is your goal? That's the only way things will change.
What would you say to the kids that are young and that they have their parents trying to push them in the right direction? They want them to, help out. They want them to do something. They want them to maybe stop smoking. What would you tell those kids who have parents that are trying to help them?
Just always remember your parents love you no matter what. They're your parents and they have wisdom. They've been through things, and so they all they want is the best for your life. They want a good future for you. They want you to be happy. And so they're coming from a place of love.
Yeah, that's true.
Because we love you no matter what.
Yeah.
But we're also afraid. So when we're trying to guide you and direct you, it's because we don't see that you're going in the right path, and we're just trying to help you to shift that direction. The fork in the road. Which way are you going to go? Are you going to go left or right? It's going to be up to you. Because as your parent, we can only guide you and support you and give you wisdom, and that's up to you to decide what you want to do.
Yep. And it goes both ways. Like if you're down the right path, definitely listen to your parents and they do love you and they truly want what's best. But on the flip side, if you want to chase your dreams and your parents don't support you, they want you to stay in school, they want you to work a job, follow your dad, follow someone else, someone else's dream, you also can't let them stop you.
Absolutely.
So
no, you have to live out your life. You're gonna make your life. I already made mine.
Dad already made his life.
And I'm limited to what I know, and you know a lot more than I do. So I don't want to stop you from growing and doing what you have, because my vision is not your vision, and that's okay. Mm-hmm. As long as you're happy and you're able to support yourself, then do whatever God has planned for you. It's a lot bigger than the plan I think I have for you. Mm-hmm. So.
Yep, y'all guys heard it. So use this as motivation. Y'all see the car. I'm with my mom. Took her for a ride. Living my dream life. Wasn't always like this though. My mom, how hard do I work, Mom? I mean,
you're a hardworking boy, young man. Very hardworking all the time. I have to tell you, hey, take a break. It's okay. No one's expecting you to work 24/7. That's not real. Tone it down. Take care of your mind and your body. That's important as well.
Yeah. So, I mean, you definitely need to take care of yourself. But if you want to speed up the process, you have to make sacrifices. So,
absolutely.
It's possible to change your life in 1 year. That's what I want people to take away from this. If you're not in a position where you want to be at, you're depressed, maybe your girlfriend left you, maybe no one believes in you, maybe you're in a dead-end job, or you're in school, whatever it is, come up with a plan, come up with a roadmap. Find out, okay, what do I need to sacrifice? What habits do I need to make this dream life come true?
There's hope.
There's
change
hope.
The cycle. If you want to change it, you can do it. I've changed my cycle from my family, and now my children are going to create a new cycle.
Exactly. So be that change in your family, guys. Trust me, it's worth it. Amen. Do whatever it takes. Do it for God, do it for your family. Y'all guys have a good night.